everyone, I am Gayatri Divedi, Assistant Teacher at BBPS Anuppur. As we all know that we have been staying at home due to this lockdown. Due to this, students have not been able to attend the regular classes. Don't you worry, we have come up with the online classes for the student. And experience is just a way that we feel in our regular classroom. I wish to say that this is really good for the student because when this lockdown gets over, student need not to worry about going through all the syllabus. And this is equally good for the teachers too to achieve their academic goals. So stay connected with us, keep learning. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. At the time when India is under a nationwide lockdown to fight the coronavirus pandemic, education sector is going online to adapt to a new reality. Educators across the country are moving to virtual classes to ensure that learning never stops. It was a great learning experience for me also, as I was not a techno-friendly person. But during this lockdown, I attended online sessions conducted by my principal sir and upgraded my knowledge. One day, when this will come to an end, we will look back and cherish the thoughts of the lessons we learned and the ones we were taught. Stay home, stay safe. Namaskar.
Namaskar. During this lockdown period, our Balbhati school have been really taken care by awesome faculty members through online learning platform like Google Classroom and online lectures. Even we have been provided daily basis home assignment and study materials like ebook through WhatsApp and email. This is my first experience to take online classes. So first of all, I am very thankful to our principal sir to support and encourage us.
This has been a new experience for me and made me more techno-friendly. I learned many new things which surely help me in upcoming time. We are sending assignments to the children and conducting online classes. I hope children are taking interest in doing their work religiously. So this lockdown period, work from home, stay at home.
Greetings to all. Online learning classes made the learning process very helpful as well as enthusiastic. It was really a wonderful experience making students learn online. We had been sharing assignments on daily basis, which the students are completing with the guidance of their parents and sharing it back. Online meetings and sessions were very helpful to clear the doubts and queries of students and parents. Thanks to the kids and the parents for helping us the online class to become a success.
First and foremost, thanks to Almighty that we all are safe and sound. Lockdown days are really difficult. But remember, most success comes in difficult time. Balbharti Public School had started online teaching and students are really enjoying stepping in this new world of technology, and now they are busy in completing the home assignment. Power of knowledge, it opens many avenues of growth. So students, keep learning and keep growing. You are the biggest asset and future of our country. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.
But the teachers of BBPS Jatahari are making sure that the time of the students is utilized in the most meaningful manners. We were really hyper and worried about how the syllabus will move forward and what will happen to curriculum. But this online activity help a lot to move curriculum forward.
Many schools have started the online classes to rebuild the education system. Balbharti Anuppur have also taken this initiative, and now the online classes are going on. These classes are helping the students and teachers to interact with each other in a way it was done before. It is very helpful for the children. It is making them very skillful, techno-friendly, and also helping them to overcome the boredom situation. So at last, I'd like to say that advantage of the online classes? Be punctual, be healthy, stay at home and stay safe.
कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। जी हाँ, अनायास ही कुछ पंक्तियाँ मेरे मन में आ जाती हैं। हम शिक्षकों का हमेशा से उद्देश्य रहा है कि अपने विद्यार्थियों को उनके लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने के लिए एक अच्छी शिक्षा प्रदान करने में समर्थ हैं और हमने इसे अपनाने की पूर्णतः कोशिश भी की है। हमें खुशी है कि बच्चे घर बैठे गृह कार्य और ऑनलाइन शिक्षा तकनीकी का उपयोग अच्छे से कर रहे हैं। निश्चय ही इन सभी कार्यों में अभिभावकों का पूर्ण सहयोग है। अगर उनका सहयोग न होता तो हम इस प्रकार से शिक्षा प्रदान करने में असक्षम हैं। हम आगे उनसे उम्मीद करते हैं कि इसी प्रकार से वो अपना सहयोग प्रदान करते रहें, जिससे कि हम इस शिक्षा को आगे इसी प्रकार से बढ़ाते रहें। धन्यवाद। घर में रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए।
Namaskar. During this time, this is the very good concept given by the principal sir. The platform of the students, it is online teaching, online class, where I directly connect with my students and I can able to cure their doubts. I am directly teaching just like in the classroom. So it is very useful, very enthusiastic for our students. It is very grateful idea.
Namaskar. One of the common English items is every cloud has a silver lining. It means that we should never feel helpless because difficult times always lead to better days. This hard period of lockdown provides us an opportunity to learn more using technology. Keeping in view, online learning is going on, wherein I have been sharing home assignments and delivering lectures for my loving students. I, with my students, enjoying this online teaching learning together a lot. It's a new and wonderful experience for me. It helps not only utilizing this hard time in a fruitful manner, but also divert students and parents from stress and anxiety. Stay healthy, stay at home. Jai Hind.
Hello my dear students and all my edu warriors. Lockdown days have been really very hard, but let me tell you, these hard days cannot restrain us from learning and growing together. Online learning sessions, interactive classes have been really wonderful, wherein the students participate enthusiastically. We have been giving home assignments, and that is really a wonderful response that we have been getting from the students' side. Now we realize that gadgets and gizmos are true friends if we use them properly. But parents' vigilance and surveillance is really very important in every aspect. So we adore the parents' participation also that we have been getting for so long. We hope these hard days will be over soon and we are going to make the best out of it. This is the time when we introspect, when we think, and when we learn together. I wish all of you happy learning. Thank you.
नमस्कार आप सभी को। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि शिक्षकों का मार्गदर्शन ही विद्यार्थियों की जीवन शैली को प्रभावित करता है, जिससे बच्चे अपने दायित्वों को समझकर आगे बढ़ने का प्रयास करते हैं। आज मैं ऑनलाइन तकनीकी के माध्यम से अपने विद्यार्थियों को शिक्षा प्रदान कर रही हूँ। मेरे विद्यार्थी ऑनलाइन शिक्षा ग्रहण कर रहे हैं तथा अपना गृह कार्य पूर्ण करके मुझे भेज रहे हैं। इन सभी शैक्षिक कार्यों में आप सभी अभिभावकों ने अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया है। मैं आप सभी अभिभावकों को हृदय से धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करती हूँ तथा उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब हमें ऐसे ही सहयोग प्रदान करते रहेंगे, जिससे हमारा मनोबल बढ़ेगा और हम अपने विद्यार्थियों को श्रेष्ठ तथा अनुकूल शिक्षा प्रदान कर पाएंगे। धन्यवाद। घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, कुछ नया करिए।
Namaskar. Hope you all are fine. We know due to COVID-19 virus, our country facing so many problems. Keeping social distancing in view, Bal Bharti Parivar organized online classes for our students. I heartily request to all the parents to motivate their kids to attend these online classes. These classes definitely help our young learners. इस पद का उद्देश्य नहीं है शांत भवन में टिक जाना, किंतु पहुंचना उस सीमा तक जिसके आगे राह नहीं. Stay home, stay safe. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Hello to everyone. As we all are facing same problem during this lockdown period, that how to utilize our time in a very positive manner and do our essential work at home. So at first I am very thankful to our Bal Bharati Parivar and especially to our principal sir who has suggested us for this online learning and teach everything in a very cooperative manner and started online session for the staff from 25th March 2020 onwards. And to be very honest, it was my first online session ever, and after this session I can only say that it is very fruitful to utilize your time. You can do your work in a very effective manner, and now I am very comfortable for this learning. So you also can avail this opportunity. Thank you so much. Stay at home, be happy, be positive.
Jai Hind all of you. As we all know, lockdown is running in all India and we all stay at home. So I am utilizing my time by reading some online courses and it's really helpful for me. And I will continue these courses because during work time we all did not get this much time to enhance our skills and learning capabilities. So stay at home, stay safe.
नमस्कार. चुनौतियाँ सदैव अवसर प्रदान करती है और जो व्यक्ति अवसर का लाभ लेता है और इसे स्वीकार करता है उसकी प्रतिभा अपने आप सामने निकलती है. अब समय आ गया है कि हम ये साबित करें कि डिजिटल इंडिया के हम ई-सिटीजन हैं और इसकी शुरुआत ई-लर्निंग से ही हो रही है. ऑनलाइन शिक्षा के संदर्भ में मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि मुझे बेहद खुशी है, ये कही कि मुझे गर्व है कि बाल भारती पब्लिक स्कूल एकमात्र ऐसा विद्यालय है जिसने ऑनलाइन शिक्षा को सर्वप्रथम प्रारंभ किया. और इसमें जो सबसे रोचक तथ्य है कि बच्चों के अतिरिक्त जिस तरह से कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर हमारे अभिभावकों ने सहयोग किया है वो अत्यंत सराहनीय है. अंततः मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा इस ई लर्निंग में हम सभी पूरा बाल भारती परिवार मिलकर कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर आगे बढ़ें और एक नया इतिहास रचें. धन्यवाद.
नमस्कार, मैं अनिल विश्वकर्मा, बाल भारती पब्लिक स्कूल जैतेरी में म्यूजिक टीचर हूँ. इस समय दोस्तों जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही है उससे हमें और हमारे बच्चों को बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है. इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है इस सब चीज़ों का. हमारे बच्चे, हमारे पेरेंट्स जो साथ में वर्क कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहता हूँ कि इस लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में ये हमारे लिए एक बहुत अच्छी पहल है. और जिस प्रकार मैं बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा हूँ, सिर्फ गिटार सिखाना है, तबला सिखाना है, म्यूज़िक सिखाना है, गाना सिखाना है, जो कुछ भी हम सिखा रहे हैं वो वहाँ तक पूरी तरह पहुँच रहा है. और हम वीडियो के माध्यम से, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के माध्यम से इसको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से संचालित कर पा रहे हैं. आपको बताते हुए मुझे बड़ी खुशी हो रही है और मैं चाहूँगा कि ये आगे भी ऐसा ही चलता रहे और हम बच्चों से अपने घर में रहकर और उनके घर में रहकर दूर दूर से ही इस क्लासेस को हम कंडक्ट कर पा रहे हैं और ये हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छी पहल है. मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करता हूँ. घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए और म्यूज़िक सीखते